Understanding, not on the same page. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, not on the same page. Have you ever found yourself puzzled by this expression during conversations or in reading? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples to help you master it. So, let's get started. The phrase, not on the same page, is used to indicate that people are not in agreement or do not have the same understanding or perspective about a situation, topic, or plan. It's often used in both professional settings, like meetings or project discussions, and personal conversations when trying to make decisions together. The beauty of this expression lies in its ability to convey a lack of consensus in a non-confrontational way. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them better. The phrase, not on the same page, likely originated from the idea of reading from the same book or document. If two people are literally not on the same page, they can't be looking at the same information or following along together. This visual can help you remember the figurative meaning of the phrase in conversations and discussions. Using not on the same page correctly can help you communicate more effectively, especially when you sense a misunderstanding or disagreement. Here are some tips. Use it to express a need for clarification or further discussion. It can be a soft way to introduce your differing viewpoint in a conversation. Combine it with questions like, "Can we discuss this further to ensure we're on the same page?" Let's see how this phrase works in real-life scenarios. In a meeting, "I think we're not on the same page about the project's timeline. Can we review the deadlines again?" With friends, "We're not on the same page about where to go for dinner. Let's each suggest a place and decide together." In a relationship, "It seems like we're not on the same page about our holiday plans. What are your thoughts?" And that's a wrap on not on the same page. Remember, it's a handy phrase for highlighting differences in understanding or opinion in a gentle manner. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and you'll feel more confident using it in your conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.